Salma and Bondoc loved their shark trip and decided to dive again to discover strange sea creatures. With their submarine Bubble Explorer, they set out early. The ocean was calm, but the deep sea hides weird wonders. First, they saw a creature that looked like a pancake with eyes on top. Bondoc explained it was a stargazer fish that hides under sand and waits to jump scare its dinner. Salma wrote, "Fish that hides and stares up. Weird, but true." Next, something transparent floated by. Bondoc whispered it was a glass squid, almost invisible, even its brain looked see-through. Salma scribbled, "Invisible squid. See-through brain. Weird, but true." Deeper down, the submarine lights caught a big jelly-like blob. Bondoc smiled and said it was a blobfish, which looks sad and squishy on land but almost normal in deep water. Salma laughed and noted, "Sad face out of water, fine in water. Weird, but true." Then, they saw a fish with a glowing lure hanging in front of its mouth. Bondoc said it was an anglerfish, whose light attracts small fish before snapping them up. Salma wrote, "Fish with its own flashlight. Weird, but true." As they explored a coral cave, something tiny and bright zipped past. Bondoc identified it as a peacock mantis shrimp, whose punch is so fast it can break glass. Salma gasped, "Tiny shrimp, super punch. Weird, but true." Finally, near the ocean floor, they spotted a slow-moving giant. Bondoc explained it was a giant isopod, like a sea bug the size of a cat. Salma finished her notes, "Huge underwater bug. Weird, but true." When they sailed home, Salma looked at her list: fish that hides in sand, invisible squid, blobfish with funny face, fish with its own light, shrimp with fastest punch, giant sea bug. "The ocean is like a living comic book," Salma smiled. Bondoc nodded, saying they've only seen the beginning. Above them, sunlight danced on the waves, and in their hearts, they knew, the stranger the ocean gets, the more wonderful it becomes.